Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you the business is Amazon. Amazon ticker number is AMZN. The sector is consumer, industry is internet retail. So first step we have to look at some of the investment research done by me. By the way, all these are for the sharing is for the educational purpose. If you want to buy the Amazon, then you have to make the decision by yourself. So internet is trying to enter into our normal life. So with the new normal, so we are actually using more and more internet to shop online. Then the online store is actually growing, and then this will all benefit to the Amazon. And then also more and more people are starting to buy the grocery online. So this is also the major point for Amazon to grow the business. And then the Amazon also have the ultra fast delivery services, and then this will help you to get your product faster if you purchase from the Amazon website. Okay, because of the COVID-19, more and more people are stay home, and then more and more people are start to working from home. Then this will help the Amazon to have a lot of the potential for the future business growth. So by looking at this, you can see that Amazon is the market, the cloud market is expected to grow from 371 billion to 832 billion by 2025. And then the Amazon's web services is also one of the leading companies in the web computing market. So this one is helping the people have the remote server, work from home, and the IT infrastructure. So this can help not only the end user, it's also helping the companies as well. So for this one, we can see that Amazon is not only doing all this. Amazon, beside those cloud computing services, also the retail websites, Amazon is also doing the gaming industry. And during the gaming industry, the gaming industry is actually expected to grow from 159 billions to about more than 200 billion by 2023. Then also this by doing this, Amazon is actually help the people to connect their families and friends together and play the game together online. And this through their gaming ecosystem. Then the gaming ecosystem is also using their Amazon Web Services. So this can also help them to grow their web services business. Okay, after looking at what Amazon is doing, so we have to look at their business model. So but Warren Buffett is always says never invest in a business that you don't understand. So we have to understand what are the Amazon actually doing. So this is the Amazon business model research. First thing, everyone know that Amazon is one of the world largest e-commerce retailer. And then Amazon actually the revenue is come from three different segments, which is North America, International, and their web Amazon Web Services, which is generating 60.9, 12.5, and 26.6% in 2019. 2020 result is not yet out. And then the Amazon Online Services, the retail is also had a huge distribution network. Amazon also own one of the things is called Whole Food Markets. This is a physical supermarket. There is no cashier. You can just walk in and take out the things that you want. Then after that, pay online. Then Amazon Web Services is also one of the market leaders in the cloud computing market. So okay, Amazon is also creating the one of the things called AI Home, helping the people to manage once they reach home, like can open the music, something like Google Home and the Apple HomePod. Then Amazon also target three different categories: consumer, seller, and the web developers. For the developers, they are actually using the Amazon Web Services to create a lot of the amazing things. Therefore, if you are the end user, you are the customer, then you can enjoy the free deliveries if you buy from the Amazon website. If you sign up Amazon Prime services, then if you are the seller, you can direct sell your product to the end user, the customer, or to other brand website also can. So I know there is a lot of the things that you cannot understand. So let's look at the pictures to understand better of the Amazon. So by doing the retail business, Amazon have the Amazon.com, Amazon Go, and the Whole Food Markets. This can compete with the Alibaba, eBay, and Walmart. In the website, the cloud services, Amazon has the Amazon Web Services. This can compete with the Google Cloud and the Microsoft. In the music, Amazon has the Amazon Price Music. This can compete with the Spotify and the Apple iTunes. In the AI, Amazon have the Amazon Alexa. This can compete with the Google Home and the Apple HomePod. In the entertainment, Amazon have the Amazon TV, Amazon Video. This can compete with the Netflix and Disney Plus. In the logistics, Amazon have their Prime services through Amazon Logistics. This can compete with the FedEx, UPS, and DHL. In the online payment, Amazon also has the Amazon Pay. This one can compete with the Apple Pay, Google Pay, and the PayPal. So by now we can know that Amazon business model is actually very wide, very diversified. So you can through Amazon to do a lot of the things. So Amazon, is it a big company? Yes, of course. Amazon has the brand monopoly, have the network effect, has the high switching cost if you are using the Amazon Web Services. It's also having an economy of scale. So we can believe that Amazon is a very wide moat company, can be sustained for very long. After looking at the business model, we will look at some of the financial report from Amazon. So by looking at the total revenue, you can see Amazon from 2016 until 2020 is consistently growing. Net income also growing, is can say it's really grew really fast between 2017 to 2018. Operating from cash flow is also growing consistently. So how about the debt? Amazon current ratio is about 1.1%. Amazon total debt to EBITDA ratio is 1.77. Debt servicing ratio is 3.05. Interest coverage ratio is 11.79. So from all this data, we can see that Amazon is having a very healthy debt. So Amazon has no issue in their debt. So the return on equity is also quite high. In 2016, it is also only about 5%. In 2020, it's grew to about 22%. It's about 5 times growth. It's really fantastic. After we know about the Amazon have the great business model, good financial report, and then we have to know how much Amazon is actually worth. So by using the intrinsic value calculator, so I can know that Amazon currently is worth about $4,173. So is it this price is good to buy now or what? So we had to look at the Amazon chart. Okay, we had to look at the weekly chart first. Okay, by looking at the weekly charts, first thing is what I did just now is I write down what is the intrinsic value is 4173. Double check 4173. Yes. So to the current price, Amazon is about 23.5% undervalued right now. So is the current price good to buy? We have to check again. Is the price is in some of the support level or not? So by looking at the chart, the weekly chart, I can see that Amazon is quite respect to this blue color 50 moving averages here. So I will say the 50 moving averages is first support to buy. And then Amazon also look quite respect to some of the purple color, which is 100 moving averages. I would say this is the second point to buy. So after looking at the weekly, I would like to look at the daily chart also. By looking at the daily chart, we can say that Amazon is current price is in the trend line support, but is also there is a trend line resistance here. So then you can see that the price is actually struggling here with between these three 100 moving average, 50 moving average, and 150 moving averages. So I would say that if you have no Amazon share, then is you can consider to buy now. By the way, this is not the uh, I'm not a financial advisor, so I cannot ask you to buy. I will just say that this is a good price to add if I don't have the Amazon share. If I have the Amazon share, I will request to buy at the lower price, which is here, which is the 50 moving average in the weekly and or 100 moving average in the weekly. So if I don't have that, I will just definitely buy 30% here. Let's say if I think to have the 100,000 here, then I can buy 30% here, 30% here, and 40% here. So this one can be averaged down my unit price because I don't know will the Amazon break down or not, or Amazon will shoot to the star or not. So I don't know. So I had to buy in the pages. Okay, in here I conclude the Amazon sharing now. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. All the best to you.